Hello, today I'll show you a threat detection system which I built for SOC analysts. I'll log in with my credentials. You can also sign up using your own. Um, so once I logged in, I can see a dashboard. Currently, there are no entries because there are no logs which I've uploaded. So there are two types of logs which you can upload. One is web security logs, and other are access logs. I'll first start off by uploading web security logs. I have synthetic logs generated for Zscaler. So in the in the backend, what happens is every log is parsed as it is currently in a raw format, and it goes through five detection rules. One is excessive traffic, other is block requests, other is threat classification detection, and then repeated errors, also through unusual URL patterns like SQL injection. Uh, Once all of these logs are parsed, they are stored into a database. I've used Postgres as my database, and Frontend is built in React. I'll talk more about the technologies I've used later. Currently, the log file has been uploaded. Let me just head to the events part where you can see that the logs have been passed, and we can see it in a table here. We can also head to dashboard to see all the widgets. Here we have top three threat types, top three users, top three source IPs. You can also click on any of these. I'll just click on top three source IPs. So when clicked on top three source IPs, it will redirect me to this events page where all of the uh, entries with this source IP are filtered out. I have indexed all these columns, so the fetching is fast. You can also filter based on a username. Let me start off by typing Jane. Yeah, so I can see all Jane Smith activities by. I can see activities by Jane Smith. I'll also upload access logs file. Yeah, as this is being uploaded, I'll talk more about the technologies. So the backend was built in Node.js plus Express. I've hosted everything on AWS. The backend is a Lambda function. Frontend is hosted on AWS Amplify, and for database too, I've used AWS. There are different detection anomaly detection rules for web security logs and access logs. For access logs, I've put detection rules as excessive traffic, and then repeated 400 500 errors. The URL pattern remains the same. I'm detecting SQL injection, and suspicious user agents, where it flags empty user agents or known scanner bot signatures. Also unusual HTTP methods which are not standard, which are other than get, post, head, or options. Mm, as the log file is uploaded, I'll head over to access logs, and you can see the access log table is now populated. I can head over to dashboard to see the top three sources, top three user types, and top three source codes. When user is at his dashboard, he can select any of the two dashboards which he wants. If he wants to switch to web security logs, he'll see the web security logs dashboard, and if he wants to switch to access logs dashboard, he can switch to logs dashboard as well. And the same filters applies to access logs dashboard as well. If he clicks on top three source IPs, the top three source IPs will be filtered for him. This is what I tried to build. Thank you so much.